Hi, it's Chris with WTI. I use these earbuds for most of my outdoor activities.
They're made by ISOtunes, and they protect my ears from loud noises with their tactical sound control feature, which lets me hear what I need to hear and blocks out the rest. I can enjoy trap shooting, hunting, leaf blowing, and firewood cutting without damaging my hearing. As you can see, they're not like the typical Bluetooth connected earbuds. They have wires, but not for plugging into your phone. They have wires because they are packed with awesome features. On one side, there's what seems to be a mini computer module. On the other side, there's a control panel that lets you adjust everything. There's a mic to talk on the phone. There's a button to turn the earbuds on and off. There are individual volume controls, a charging port, and separate controls to activate the tactical sound mode that protects your ears from loud noises. The earbuds also talk to you and tell you when they're on or off, as well as connected to your phone via Bluetooth. How cool is that? And don't worry about losing them. The wire connecting the earbuds allow you to wear them around your neck. They also have a clip that you can attach to your shirt. And the best part is that the earbuds are magnetic, so you can snap them together when you're not using them.
These earbuds are great for the outdoor enthusiast. The sound it produces is crisp and clear and does not get excessively loud. I think you will enjoy using them as much as I have if you get one. But that's just my point of view.